What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited to show you all of the slimes. This is a huge restock, so let's just jump right into it. We're starting off with Chanel number 2, which is the queen of the unicorn slime shop. You already know about her, but just in case you don't, she's very thick, very glossy, and scented like Bubblicious bubblegum. This is my best seller, so it's one that is very quick to go. So I would definitely get there early if you want to snatch one of Chanel's weaves, alright? I also just really quickly wanted to remind you all that we have merch on the shop as well, so you can get pop sockets, slime making aprons, some hats, t-shirts, whatever you like, just saying. Baja Blast is another recent bestseller. It is creeping up there. You all love this one. It's scented just like Baja Blast, so just picture Mountain Dew and blue raspberry scent together. It's so good. This is a cloud slime with a perfect drizzle, and it's a clear slime base, so it's very thick as well, and just amazing. Apple Jacks is inspired by glitter slimes and inspired by the actual cereal Apple Jacks, obviously. This one is a foam made with those large foam beads, so it's super crunchy and bubbly. It's just really nice. I love this one so much because it has a really thick and glossy base to it as well. It's just amazing, and it's scented like apples and cinnamon. I have not had Apple Jacks in a while, but boy, I need to grab me a box, I'm telling you. This next one is called Aliens Are Friends, and I am just obsessed with this one lately. It's so freaking cute. It is unscented, so if you have a scent allergy, this one is perfect for you. Look at the clarity of this. I just love it so much. It's a little bubbly because I just packaged it, but that happens with clear slime. I'm pretty sure everybody knows. This here is made with my new clear slime recipe, so it's super thick yet very stretchy. I love it so much, and it's packed with those holographic smiley face glitters. I actually was inspired with this slime from like just a random video that I made on Instagram, and it ended up making it into the shop, so here it is. I mean, at this point, if you're not shook like I am about how thick and stretchy this is, I mean, what are you doing? Next up, we have melted cotton candy ice cream, and you all actually voted for this one on Instagram, so we are adding this to the melted ice cream family. If you're not sure what my melted ice cream slime textures are, it's basically just a basic slime, so there's not really much added into it. So if you just are looking for something very basic yet super fun to play with, then it's going to be this one. It's a thick school glue slime. You're gonna love it if you like those type of slimes, or if you want to like add your own things to like an already made slime, then this one is perfect for you. This next one is definitely one of my top favorites from the restock. This is Sour Patch Cloud, and you are going to get a random color, either blue, yellow, or green when you order this here. It could be any of those 3 colors. It is scented just like Sour Patch Kids, and it's a very thick white glue based cloud slime, so it's super drizzly. I just really love this one so much. The scent is mouth-watering, and I dig it. Unicorn Lullaby was actually inspired by a squishy. I have a squishy that I think I bought from either Squishy Bunny or Big Boy Slimes, and it's just a unicorn that is sitting like on top of a moon, and I thought it was so cute, so I was like, why don't I make like a unicorn lullaby type of slime? So here it is. It was birthed into creation here. It is a clear slime base, unscented, so again, if you have a scent allergy, then you are good to go with this one. It's super nice. It's like a darkish blue kind of color. There's a bunch of holographic glitters in there, and there's also some holographic moon glitters in there, so it's really cool. It kind of gives you the sleepy time vibe. I just really love this one, and this one as well is my new slime recipe, so it's very holdable, very thick and stretchy. And I almost forgot to mention, it will come with that unicorn charm. Fave Reds is also another slime that is inspired by glitter slime. She actually just recently came out with a Starburst slime, and I thought that was the best idea ever, and I was looking for some foam ideas, so I was like, you know what, why don't I just do the Fave Reds? So it's just like a pack of the Starburst, but only the red and the pink ones. So it is scented exactly like that. You have fruit punch in there, watermelon, strawberry, and cherry. It's just so good. You're gonna love this one, and it's a very, very crunchy floam. Caramel Macchiato is a really cool new type of avalanche slime, I guess you could say. It's a couple different slimes in one. So it starts off with that clear brown slime on top. It is unscented. And then on the bottom of it, instead of just a regular slime base, I actually made it a cloud cream. So it is a caramel macchiato scented cloud cream. When you mix it together, it turns into a jelly slime. It's just so nice. And I just love this one so much. It smells so good. Another Unicorn Slime Shop fan favorite is Detox Water. You all love this one, so I have to put it in every single restock. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be poking this one here for the video, just because I didn't make that many. So if you want to snatch a Detox Water, make sure you get there super fast. I was running a little bit late during this restock, so I'm so sorry about it. It does look a little bubbly as well, because I just packaged these before I filmed it. And as you all know, every single Detox Water will come with a random fruit charm. Alrighty, so since we are showing some love to the red Starburst, you know I had to do it for the blue Starburst as well, because that is actually my favorite Starburst, both of the flavors. So we have this one, it is called Only the Blues, and it is scented just like sour blue raspberry and like blueberry as well. It smells super good. It has this same really nice texture as the Fave Reds, and it's just really crunchy and bubbly, and I really love this one as well. New to the shop, we actually have H2O, which is just a regular schmegular type of clear slime. It's nothing added into it, no scent, no nothing. So if you just want a very nice clear slime base, then this one is for you. I'm actually not going to poke it in the video. I will do that next week. It's just I wasn't anticipating on like stocking this at all. I asked you on Instagram and you voted for it, so that's why I did it. And there's only 2 of them, so if you want to get it, you gotta get to the shop early. Oh, I will definitely have more next week, I promise, so be prepared. Goofy Goober is quite possibly my favorite slime this restock, like legit #1 favorite. I love this one so much. First of all, it's scented peanut butter and jelly, and it was inspired by SpongeBob, of course. I love the Goofy Goober. You're a Goofy Goober. I'm a Goofy Goober. So that's how that works. This one is inspired by peanut butter and jelly. Obviously, it's scented like it. It is a really nice, very creamy slime base. There is Daiso clay added into it, so it's very creamy and soft, which actually gives it a really nice crunch with the big foam beads in there as well. I just love it. It's so good. Washed Up Whale is a new slime texture to the shop. This is actually what I'm going to be calling a buttercream slime, but you've probably heard like butter snow or just like a regular cloud cream slime. However, this one is so sizzly, so creamy. It's like the best of both worlds. You all know that I love me a butter slime and I love me a cloud cream. They're my 2 favorite slime textures. So I fused them together with the help of you all for one of my videos, and I love the texture. I'm going to be stocking a lot more of these textures, so keep on the lookout. This one is called Washed Up Whales, just in honor of my friends because I love them so much. That is actually our crew name. It is not meant to be like, you know, hurtful towards the whales or animals or anything like that. It was just something funny that, you know, somebody told us one day that we were all washed up whales. Like, they said it in a negative way, and so we just decided to like turn it into a positive situation, and that has been our crew name ever since. So I love my washed up whales. This one's really nice, scented like blue Hawaiian. It has that nice buttercream texture, and it's just really good, and it'll come with a nice cute little whale charm. It is so adorable. Fairy Red is another slime that you all voted for on Instagram. This one's really cool because it's actually a color changing cloud cream. So as you see here, it actually starts off as like a periwinkle blue kind of color, but the bottom and the center of it is purple. It's super cool, and once you mix it all together, it actually just turns like a really nice purple, and then you let it sit in the container for a little bit and it'll go back to that like periwinkle color. It's super nice. This is actually scented like birthday cake ice cream. It's really good. It has the same really nice creamy and sizzly texture from the cloud creams that you have come to expect from my shop, and it's just really nice. There's also some pastel foam beads layered on top for some added crunch and texture, and I just love it. And last but not least, we have our mystery cereal milk. So if you don't know about mystery cereal milk, it's just a regular, very thick and glossy slime that looks like cereal milk, obviously. And it is scented like a different cereal each time we restock it. So, you know, if you've purchased a couple of them, you'll notice that they're all different scents. So it's really nice. I love this one a lot. Very thick and glossy and just really good. The scent this week is so mouthwatering. I'm legit salivating just talking about it. Alrighty, well that is pretty much it for this restock. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes you would like me to restock next week as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!